used to seeing it so barren. Like usually it's full. Wow, wow, wow. There's like no one here. I can have any spot I want. Oh gosh. It kind of feels weird, like being the only one out here. I drove way down there and there is no one back there. And normally I would stay there because I like to be, you know, alone and away from anyone. But just something in me just is not feeling at peace about it. So I'm gonna listen to that inner voice. Always, always listen to your gut. Even if you've always done things a certain way, don't ignore it. I don't want to be on top of someone, but at the same time, you don't want to be so far away that if something happens, no one hears or sees or, you know, helps. I just feel like right now we've got to really be careful. The world is changing and you have to change with it. So follow your peace. It's such a beautiful day, except for the wind. So it's like sunny, it's beautiful, but oh my goodness. Look at this. It's a great day to fly a kite. I have my kite with me. Roxy's like, I'll stay here. I don't want to blow away. That's all right, Roxy. I'll tie you down too. You could fly the kite. She's done that before. She has her own little kite. Should move my rig because it's blowing straight into my door. But I'm level. That's the only problem. Well, I'm as level as I'm gonna get without my levelers. See, can you hear it? It's coming in. I can't feel it, but I can hear it. I was thinking about it and I was like, okay, you know what? I'm actually in a good spot because I have my slider out and the wind is not hitting my awning cover. What's it called? Is it an awning? Yeah, the awning to the slide. Otherwise I would bring my slides in, but it's hitting, it's coming from that direction from the door. So it's not hitting this side. See how that tree is blown that way? So we're good. We're just enjoying the stillness here. She's on my lap, trying to let her see outside and get some sunshine. Look at her. Oh. Are you gonna jump? Are you gonna really jump? Look at her. Oh, no, no. Oh my gosh. Hang on, Roxy. Okay, I need to put her down because she will jump. She's kind of, I call her my little dumb blonde. Don't be a dumb blonde. That's a long ways for you. You would hurt yourself. All right, tuck and roll. Tuck and roll. She would too. I decided to make tacos. So I'm cooking up this ground beef and I put taco seasoning in there. I just felt like tacos today. What's wrong? You want to talk about it? Taco. You want to taco about it? I don't know what I'm going to put. I have sour cream, I have cheese, I have hot sauce, and I have tortillas. That's all we need. That's good. I do need to get some tomatoes and a few vegetables would be good. I'm not eating enough vegetables. This is what you do on windy days when you really can't spend too much time outside. So I'm gonna do this one right here. And once I'm done, I'm gonna give these away, donate them. My hairdresser gave me these puzzles. She's like, it's so funny. I mean, this happened months ago where I was like, gosh, I really want a puzzle. I really want a puzzle. and I went to my hairdresser's and she's like, do you by any chance want a puzzle? So I was like, yeah. So it's a bunch of puzzles, but I have no interest in the other ones. I'm still working on this puzzle. First you do the edges. I mean, that's how you do a puzzle, right? You work on the straight edges first, and then you go by. If I had a big table, I would separate the pieces by color. But I only have this serving tray, so we gotta work with what we have. I would put it on the table outside, but I could just see all those pieces just going flying. And you know what? I would let them. She's like, let me mark my territory. I had to put my generator on because my battery is getting low. When it gets cold like this, my battery doesn't last without me putting my generator on every few days. I'm gonna check, see if there's any logs in the fire. Nope. I guess I can't put another log in the fire.
Put another log in the fire. Let me have some bacon and some beans. Go outside and change the tire. La 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 la.
I don't know how it goes. It's been a year. Look at that fat little body. It's all squished. Look at those ears. That's how her ears were when I took her outside in the wind. I guess they got stuck that way. It is so windy out there. Can you hear her snoring? She's a little bunny. She's doing her best bunny impersonation. She hops like a bunny when you put her in the grass. Look at that little chub wub. Roxy, we both need more exercise. Never mind, we need our winter coat. We gotta stay warm this winter, so it's okay to have extra padding. Who needs those heated camping chairs with insulation when you've got your own? Although I do have a heated vest that I'm going to get out and use. I can't wait. Good night, guys.